This is the mirror that I separated from the frame. This pile of broken stuff is the mirror that Brad started separating from a frame.
And then Kyle finished it and broke it.
Don't talk about that part.
So we're listening to Skinny Puppy and we were remarking about the abrasive noises that Skinny Puppy makes and what they're known for, and then we found something that's even more abrasive. Isn't that horrid?
Let's put the Skinny Puppy back on.
Also, I should be wearing gloves.
Yes, you should, Mr. Health and Safety.